How to unmute all notes on Instagram. Now, in order for you to unmute the notes that you have muted on Instagram, you first have to locate where are the Instagram accounts that you have muted. So the very first thing we're going to do to locate that is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner and scroll down right there. If you have located muted accounts right here, all you have to do is to click on that, and you will be able to see every account that you have muted and on what content you have muted them from. Let's say this account right here, I have muted their posts and stories, while this account, I have muted their post, stories, and notes. Now, in order for you to unmute the notes on an Instagram account, all you have to do is to click on unmute right here and toggle this off. Now, you can just do it to every account that you have muted on Instagram. This one right here, and this also. Right there. So that's how to unmute all notes on Instagram. Hope we help.